Good morning, good people. Excuse me, just on a little climb. Slightly out of breath. But welcome to the vlog. And hello Sunday. Okay, two things that are annoying me right now. Number one, this weather. It was so gorgeous yesterday when I was home alone with the dogs. It was about 16 or 17 degrees. Perfect day to get out on the bike. But unfortunately that didn't happen. Long dog walks, chores, washing, drying, you know, that kind of thing. Yeah, and today's weather is, in comparison to yesterday, pretty pants. It's drizzling with rain. It's not cold, but it's just really And then number two, oh, I'm totally the wrong gear. Number two, the battery is about to die on this camera, which is a rubbish preparation. I should have charged it up last night, but like a complete bell end, I didn't. Schoolboy error. Giving it some beans on a couple of segments back there, so I'll see if I've improved any of my previous times when I get home. And unfortunately the rain is coming down quite a bit harder now. Some of the potholes on these roads are absolutely disgraceful. You go over one, or even down one, you're going right over the handlebars. Massive shout out to Swifty Morgan Cycling. He's just started up his own vlog channel. He's got a couple of vlogs up there. Go check him out, guys. I'll put a description to his channel down below. Morning. Yeah, go give him some support. He's an absolute legend. Shout out to Mark Saul of the MTR crew. Completed the 113k challenge yesterday, which was absolutely fantastic, mate. Well done to you. Fantastic effort. Right, I've just pulled over. I've done 21 miles. I just thought I'd better have some of this Cliff Bar. This is the white chocolate macadamia nut flavour. This is the order that a few of us from the MTR crew managed to sneak through. A box of 12 I think was £5.97. I mean, they did take their time to arrive because I received one single bar first of all, and then the other 11 bars came in a box on Monday, I think, last week. Anyway, I've tried one of them. I must admit they're not the greatest Cliff Bar that I've had. I've had much better flavours, but I've got 11 of them, so I'm going to have to plough through the buggers. Anyway, I shall have a bit of this and then head for home. I think I'll probably do about 25 miles. I was hoping, well, in the lightest possible sense to do the MTR crew 113k challenge today, but the weather is just shit. So that's not going to happen. Right guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the vlog, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I hope you all have an excellent week ahead. It's raining even harder now, but I'm glad I got out, and I feel so much stronger after last week's sportive in Wales, the daffodil ride. My legs feel amazing. So we'll see if that continues in the weeks ahead. Right guys, take care. I will see you soon.
I will show you to be free.